There are times when you will need to stop the CE7000 from continuing to cut. And a couple of steps are required to do this. First, press the pause menu key. This immediately pauses the operation. Here we are given two choices: continue, which will continue the operation, and quit job, which stops the operation. If we press the 1 key for continue, the cutter will continue with the job. Let's pause the cutting again, but this time we will press the 2 key to quit the job. Here we are given the chance to clear the buffer. This ensures that the data is removed before continuing, but it also allows us to confirm that the software driving the FC9000 has stopped sending data. We can then press the 1 key for Yes Clear, and it will clear the buffer. There may be times where all you want to do is stop the cutter to change a condition setting. In order to do that when it is cutting, just press the condition/test key once. This will stop the cutting after it completes the cutting of the current object, and switches to the condition menu. Here the condition can be adjusted, such as increasing the force. Once the condition has been adjusted, press the condition test key to start cutting again.